reproduction in plants. Another article from this topic, that is development of male gametophyte in angiosperm. This development of male gametophyte get completes within two steps. First one is before pollination, and second one is after pollination. In before pollination process, haploid pollen grain divides by mitosis to form two unequal cells. Larger cells are commonly called as tube cell and smaller cells are commonly called as generative cell. These two cell pollen grain become transfer and deposit over the respective stigma. This process are commonly called as before pollination. Then after pollination process, these deposited pollen grain absorb sugary substance as well as amino acid, which is secreted by stigma. In stigmatic surface, they will secrete by amino acid as well as sugary substance. These secreted substance absorbed by pollen grain. That's why pollen tertiarity get maintained. Intine grows and it comes out to a tubular outgrowth that is called as pollen tube. Then the tube cell nucleus migrate towards the pollen tube, generative cell nucleus migrate towards the pollen tube, and finally generative cell nucleus divides by mitosis to form two non-motile haploid male gametes. The structure having two non-motile male gametes, pollen tube, cytoplasm, as well as tube cell nucleus are commonly called as fully developed male gametophyte in angiosperm. This phenomenon get discussed in diagrammatic way, that is haploid pollen grain these are the haploid pollen grain. If you are seen in a typical structure of pollen grain, it consists of following parts, that is outermost protective covering of pollen grain, that is called as exine. In exine, at some distance or at some places, the pores-like initiation will found, that is called as germ pores. Inner side of these outermost covering of pollen grain, that is exine, here entine are found. Inner side of these entine, the cytoplasm are placed, as well as nucleus are also found. That is the haploid pollen grain. This haploid pollen grain, it is an immature male gametophyte in angiospermic plant. It is commonly called as immature male gametophyte because they will develop the gametophytic development, they will produce the male gametes, so it is called as immature male gametophyte. During before pollination process, this haploid pollen grain divides by mitosis. Here mitotic cell division can taken to form two unequal cell or two cell pollen grains. These two cell containing one cell become larger. These larger cell contain nucleus as well as cytoplasm, that is called as tube cell. These tube cell contain tube cell nucleus as well as cytoplasm. Another smaller cell are called as generative cell. These generative cell also contain generative cell nucleus as well as cytoplasm. That is the two-cell pollen grain. These two-cell pollen grain will form during the mitosis, or the haploid pollen grain divides by mitosis to form two unequal cell. Larger cell are commonly called as tube cell and smaller cell are commonly called as generative cell. Then these two-cell pollen grain become transfer and deposit over the respective stigma. These two-cell pollen grain become transfer and deposit over the respective stigma. In this process are commonly called as before pollination process. Then after pollination process, then these two-cell pollen grain absorb two-cell pollen grain which is deposited through the stigmatic surface. They will absorb the amino acid as well as sugary substance. That's why intine grows and it comes out to a tubular outgrowth. That is commonly called as pollen tube, and the phenomenon is known as pollen germination. After absorption of sugary substance as well as amino acid by two-cell pollen grain, then due to absorption of these amino acids as well as sugary substance, intine grows and it comes out to a tubular outgrowth via germ pore. This phenomenon are commonly called as pollen tube and the process is known as pollen germination. Then tube cell nucleus migrate towards the pollen tube. Then tube cell nucleus migrate towards the pollen tube. As well as cytoplasm from the tube cell, they also migrate towards the pollen tube. Then generative cell nucleus migrate towards the pollen tube. Generative cell nucleus also migrate towards the pollen tube, and finally generative cell nucleus these generative cell nucleus divides by mitosis to form two haploid non-motile male gametes. The structure having pollen tube, cytoplasm, two non-motile male gametes as well as tube cell nucleus are commonly called as fully developed male gametophyte in angiosperm. That is the fully developed male gametophyte. During before pollination and after pollination process, finally the structure having two non-motile male gametes, pollen tube, cytoplasm as well as tube cell nucleus will form. That is called as fully developed male gametophyte in angiosperm. This type of gametophytic development will complete within two steps. First one is before pollination and last one is after pollination. Here the gamete, that is male gametes, will produces by the pollen grain. Pollen grain are placed inside the pollen mother cells. Pollen mother cells which are diploid in nature, they are present inside the anther lobe. That's why androecium or the stamen are commonly called as male reproductive organ. Finally, here two male gametes will form. That is the typical development of male gametophyte in angiosperm.